Welcome to our story time on Facebook Live. We are going to, it's National Kids Craft Day. We are going to be making a birdhouse. Yeah, bird feeder. Okay, but before we get started, we are going to remind you about our 1,000 books before kindergarten. Don't forget to go on hondo.bookpoints.org and register for that. Then come into the library and pick up your blue bag. That'll let you take and bring your books all safe, and you get badges and prizes for that. So register. It's a great thing to take advantage of. The other thing is your literacy calendar. Don't forget to come by and pick up your literacy calendar. That has a lot of fun activities that develop your gross and fine motor skills. And last but not least is the dial a story. You can listen to a story time read to you anytime you want. If you dial that number, you can find it on our website and our Facebook. And some of those are read by Miss Debbie. Yes, you can hear her read a story time anytime you want. You just dial that number and you can listen to a story read, which is great. Okay, we will be singing about the birds, and we will be reading about the birds, and we're going to be doing exercises to develop our gross motor skills. It's going to be fun. Now, we're going to get started with our song about birds, okay? Everybody stand up. Okay, here we go. Good morning, little blue bird, blue bird, blue bird. Good morning, little blue bird. So glad to see you. Good morning to the flowers, flowers, flowers. Good morning to the flowers. So glad to see you. Good morning to the raindrops, raindrops, raindrops. Good morning to the raindrops. So glad to see you. Good morning to the springtime, springtime, springtime. Good morning to the springtime. So glad to see you. I love that. I absolutely love that. Okay, because everything is growing, right? The sun is shining. It's raining. We had a little bit of rain last night. Everything is turning green and beautiful. So it's wonderful. And if you listen in the mornings, you can hear the birds singing and singing and singing. Okay, we are going to stretch. Okay, we are going to do our, it's going to come on the screen. We're going to blink like a firefly. We're going to hop like a grasshopper. We're going to slide like a slug. And we're going to wiggle like a worm, okay? Here we go. Everybody ready? Blink like a firefly. Hop like a grasshopper. Slide like a slug. And wiggle like a worm. That's going to be fun. It's in your activity packet, so have fun doing those movements and developing your gross motor skills. Now we're going to read. Everyone sit down. A Home for a Bird. And this is by Philip C. Stead. A Home for a Bird. Vernon was out foraging for interesting things when he found birds. Are you okay? Asked Vernon. Bird said nothing. Are you lost? Bird said nothing. You are welcome to join me, said Vernon. Vernon introduced Bird to his friends. Bird said, Vernon, meet Skunk and Porcupine. Bird said nothing. Bird is shy, said Vernon, but also a very good listener. Vernon showed Bird the river and the forest. He took Bird foraging and cloud watching too.
I am worried that Bird is not happy, said Vernon. Perhaps he is lost, said Skunk. Maybe he misses home, said Porcupine. Aww. So Vernon prepared for a journey to help Bird find his home. He readied a boat, found an oar, said goodbye to old friends. He's going to find Bird his home, huh? And together with Bird, followed the river into the great unknown. Vernon showed Bird many different places to live. How about there? Is this your home? He asked Bird. Let's see. Vernon sighed. Bird will speak up when we find the right home. Here? But no matter how many places they tried, Bird said nothing, and Vernon was sad. Oh. But Vernon was determined. He was a determined friend. Wow. They're going to find Bird's home, aren't they, everyone? And with a little help, he and Bird followed the wind. I hope this is a good idea, said Vernon. Bird said nothing. Bird is very brave, thought Vernon. Having traveled a long way, the two friends came to a rest. Hello, said Vernon to a kind stranger. I think we are lost. The stranger pointed the way to a house a little farther down the road. I am so tired, said Vernon. Bird said nothing. Bird is tired too, thought Vernon. Maybe we'll stop for the night. Together, Vernon and Bird slid down the curtain, introduced themselves to a new friend, and climbed up to the little house on the wall. This home is in need of repair, thought Vernon, carefully placing the door back on its hinges. I hope Bird doesn't mind. He put Bird to bed upstairs, put himself to bed downstairs. And fell asleep to the gentle sound, tick-tock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Vernon awoke with the morning light. He liked this house and the cheerful sound it made. I wonder if Bird likes it too, thought Vernon. And Bird said, what do you think, everyone? What do you think Bird said? Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. And Vernon was happy. That's a great story. I love it. So he found his home in a big rock, right? That was cool. Okay, in your weekly craft kit, you're going to have a carton, okay? And you're going to have some tape to put and decorate your whole carton. You're going to have a bag of seed, and you'll put the bag of seed on the inside of your carton, and you will hang your bird feeder. You'll have everything you need in your weekly craft kit, so have fun. Tina loves the color pink, so she did pink flowers and solid pink opening. Okay, so enjoy making your bird feeder. If you forgot to pick up your craft kit, come by and pick it up, okay? And enjoy doing your little bird feeder. And we'll see you next week.